Hey guys, we're in Norfolk, Virginia, doing a hot tub removal. This is gonna be one of those easy ones. All I gotta do is just roll it right here, and we'll be done with it. There's a hot tub right there. So I got my trusty snap lock dolly. That's what we're gonna put it on. So here we go. Got on my leg. Still a lot of water here. It's good. Right, go ahead. Now it's gonna tip over. Ready? Yeah, ready. Yeah, if you want that, you know, it all disconnected, you have to get an actual electrician. I'm actually going to use this 240. Hey guys, we just finished up the hot tub, the cardboard pickup, and there was a little bit of trash and brush. It's a little bit of a mix of everything. But yeah, let me tell you about this job. We went into it expecting to just remove a hot tub, but he ended up having a lot of other stuff they wanted to get rid of. So just remember, like, you know, my price for a hot tub may seem low, but a lot of the times the customers will call me back. You know, they need some other stuff hauled away, or, you know, in this case, same day. But anyway, yeah, if you need a hot tub removed and you're in Norfolk or Hampton Roads, give me a call at 757-354-2628, and we'll get that hauled away for you.